This is part 2, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going. Can he do it? Look like the green one's is in the lead. Oh my God! He's gotta be dead. Get Almighty, Lord. Never mind. He probably got revived by the Dragon Balls. All right, now it looks like these two, like the blue one is in the lead.
I mean, that's two times.
Okay. So this is round 2. Now, march, get set, drive free to the finish line. Oh my God, the blue truck, the guy in there must be dead. Let me ask something. It looks like someone is trying to do something great. But which one is great? The green one or the blue one? Which one's gonna win this second round? Oh my God, the green one slipped. Okay.
He's sick.
The blue one somehow survives every single time. Oh my God! What happened to the explosion?